Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. We're back here at Placerville Speedway. As you see, weather is good again. So we got 2 weeks in a row of racing. Picked up the win last week, which was fantastic. So we'll got a little bit of a points lead, but we're not even thinking about the points right now. It's way too early in the season. But crew chief's with me again. Got any input for tonight?
Make sure you subscribe. Click the button.
All right, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you can. But
comment.
Okay. All right, let's take a look at the track. All right, there's the track there. Got a little bit of rain yesterday, so they did put some water down still. We're not going to be packing track. We got the sprint cars here tonight. Big race for them, Al Heinz Memorial. The dwarf cars are here, so they'll be packing track. So first time we're out there will be hot laps to see how the cars run.
We're driving.
Yeah.
Show them.
Yeah.
Show them. Say bye. Say bye.
Well, no. We're going to back. See if you win.
All right, there the car is there. Sitting in the trailer, just waiting. Probably got about 3 more hours of sitting around, but the car is ready to go until we get called for hot laps. So thanks for sticking around, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment if you would. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching this video from, and we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah. Car number? 15 late model. 15 late model.
All right, so my crew chief Peyton went down there and drew me a 25. Normally that's not a great number, but put us on the pole of the first heat next to a driver I've never met before. So we'll see if he can hold his line. I'm sure he's been racing, I guess, for a long time. So it's the 81 car. So Jay's in my heat, Ray's in my heat, Chris McGinnis, a lot of good guys. So just got to hit my marks. We're running the last heat of the night and the second to last main event. There's like 30 plus sprint cars here, 30 dwarf cars. So gonna be a long night, a lot of waiting around, but we roll up for hot laps here in probably about 10 minutes as they're calling people right now. Alright, so we are going out for the heat race here in probably like an hour or something. We're like the last heat of the night. Managed to get third quick in hot laps. Maybe had a little bit more in it, but it actually felt pretty spunky this week. So I think we got a chance, and see how the night plays out. So heat race, we start heat 1 on the pole. The car that originally was supposed to start with us just left. Some broke, so everybody should move up, but tough heat. So 8 perfect laps is what I'm gonna need. So we'll see if I can get it done, and stay tuned in the video.
So yellow flag waves on lap number 4. This time by, white flag is going to wave. Off turn 2, down the back straightaway for the final time. Ray Trimble going to drive it deep in turn 3. Checker flag is going to wave though. Give the win to Dan Brown Jr. over Trimble and Norton. Well, heat race number 1 with the Mountain Democrat Limited Late Models goes to Dan Brown Jr. in the 15 over 37 Ray Trimble, 15J Jay Norton, 54 Matt Davis, and 22 Chris McGinnis.
Okay, good luck. Don't be nervous. Go, Mike. Pick up what? I got all 4. Get your back. 3.
All right, heat race is in the books. Got a pretty decent lead, and then the yellow came out, bunched this up together. Car was a little loose, changed my entry a little bit, and was able to hold on and get the win. And then we went up there, and my daughter Peyton drew a 3, so we start 5th. So definitely have our work cut out for us. A lot of good cars ahead of us and behind us. Pretty much everybody in the field tonight is capable of winning a race. So anyway, should be rolling off here another hour. We're just, the car's ready to go, just sitting around. So anyway.
Upcoming, Jay Norton, Rod Oliver on the front row, Ray Trimble, Tyler Lightfoot, row 2, Dan Brown Jr., Anthony Slaney, Matt Davis, Cole Serralo, Chris McGinnis, Michael Anderson, Bud Wahlberg, your starting lineup. Round 2 on the season for the Mountain Democrat Limited Late Models. Off turn 4.
right, there's a look at the car. So sad. All right, well, main event didn't really go as planned. Had a really good run there with Tyler, the 23 car, and I think we got up to fourth place, just buying my time, trying to catch Jay Norton, the 15 car, and she went boom. So our last 4 races, we've blown up a motor twice, so we got to put fast track action on getting that other motor, or our primary motor, in this car. So we'll get that done here in about 2 weeks, and race here 2 weeks from today. So we got till then to get the motor completely together, get in the car, get it tuned. All right, as usual, she's here to close out the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys tune into this video, and we'll see you in about 2 weeks. If you can, hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from, and we'll see you next time. You got
And then
anything else?
hopefully we win
Yep.
next 2 weeks.
That's all she cares about.
No, I don't. I was just.
Yeah, it's fun to win, isn't it? Okay. All right, we'll see you next time. 1, 2, 3. Up here.